of Jesus Christ, who came to give us life. And this is the day that we appreciate the love God showed to everyone by sending His only Son.
It's not about what you get or the price of your gift. It's about loving one another every day of the year.
Merry Christmas, Christmas, Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Merry Christmas, Christmas, Jesus. This day is for you. Merry Christmas, Christmas, Jesus. Happy birthday to you. God loved the world so much that He blessed us with you.
Now this day is not supposed to be about a worldwide shopping spree. It's the birth of Jesus Christ, who gives us eternal